In today's video I'll show you how to export subtitles from Descript as an SRT file. First, we start on the Descript home screen where you can see your list of recent projects. I will move my cursor over and click on the project named Add Captions to open it up. As the project loads, we can see the full transcription and video preview appear in the main workspace. Once you are satisfied with your project, look towards the top right corner of the interface. You will see a prominent button labeled Export. I'm going to click on that to bring up the Export Settings panel on the right side of the screen. In this side panel, you will see several tabs at the top for different export types like video, audio, timeline, transcript, and subtitles. Since we only want the subtitles, I will click on the last tab labeled Subtitles. With the Subtitles tab selected, we now have access to several configuration options. You can change the format, show speakers, or choose the maximum number of characters and lines per card. Right now, the format is set to Subtitles SRT. To change this, you can click on the drop-down menu next to Format. This opens a list of available subtitle formats. I will keep it as Subtitles SRT to suit our needs. Now that our format is properly set to Subtitles, I will look down at the bottom of the Export panel and click the large Export button to start processing. This immediately triggers a progress wheel that says, Downloading Media Files. After a brief moment, a Windows Save As dialog box pops up automatically. The file name defaults to Add Captions, which looks perfect, and the save type is correctly set to SRT file. Next, I'll navigate over to the Downloads folder on the left-hand navigation panel. Once I'm in the Downloads folder, I'll go ahead and click the Save button at the bottom. It finishes up by downloading the file straight to our computer. Once the status changes to Download Complete and shows all completed, we are fully done inside the web browser. Next, I'll minimize Descript and open up the Windows File Explorer. I'll navigate over to the Downloads folder on the left-hand navigation panel. Inside, we can find our newly exported SRT file right at the top. I'll double-click the file to open it up in the default text editor. A pop-up asks me to select an app to open this file, so I'll click on Notepad and then click just once. The Notepad window opens instantly, and as I maximize it, the audio tracks and timestamps are completely viewable and crystal clear. And that's it, that's how you export subtitles from Descript as an SRT file.